Hello Snapchatters around the globe. We are thrilled to welcome you back to our channel. Today we have something really special lined up for you. We are going to be your guide through the labyrinth of Snapchat privacy settings 2024. From mastering the art of private chatting to locking your stories from prying eyes, we have got you covered. And that's not all. We have also be taking a deep dive into the world of location settings, ensuring that you have full control over Snapchat experience. This is not just a video, it is a journey towards becoming a Snapchat Pro. So buckle up because we are about to take a roller coaster ride into the future of privacy settings. Are you ready? Let's snap into action. So friends, firstly we will learn about some important chat settings. So for this, tap on your friend's profile and after then tap open your friend's profile, and in this page you have to tap on three dot option and after that tap on third number option chat settings. So friends, in this page you will find a new option of delete chats, and by using delete chats option you can delete your chats quickly. The delete after wing feature on Snapchat is all about giving your control over your privacy. When you set your chats to delete after wing, they will automatically disappear from the chat as soon as both you and your friend have seen them. This helps keep your chat screen tidy and your conversation private. Remember, once the chat is viewed and deleted, it is gone for good. So if you want to activate this option, simply tap on 24 hours after viewing option and then tap on after viewing option and you will successfully set the chat to after viewing as a privacy. So guys, if you want to hide your stories from someone or someone your friends of Snapchat, so for this simply tap on three dot option. So friends, in this page simply tap on fifth option privacy settings, then simply tap on this option and in this option you will find my story. So friends, if you turn this option off, then this friend will not able to see your stories. So if you want to hide stories from someone, then follow the steps. So friends, let's learn about some more important Snapchat privacy settings. For this, you have to tap on your profile and after then tap on settings option, which you will find on the top right side. Simply tap on this option, and friends, in this settings option you have to scroll down your page and after that you will find privacy control. So in the first option simply tap on first option, which is contact me. So friends, by using this option you can decide who can contact you. If you selected to only friends, then only your friends will able to send messengers, text and other important feature which is available in Snapchat. But if you select friends and contacts, then your friends and contact will able to message you on Snapchat on your account, and also they can call or video call on your account. So keep in mind, if you want more privacy, then simply tap on friends option, and if you want your contact also will able to send you message, then simply select second option, then simply back this page and after that you will find a more important option, view my story. Simply tap on third option, view my story. And guys, in this, by using this feature you can decide who can see your stories. If you select friends only, then your only friends can see your stories which is already available in your friend list. But if you select custom or everyone, then everyone on Snapchat will able to see your stories. So use this feature according to your need. Simply back this page and after that in the fourth option you will find comment settings. So if you are using Spotlight videos and you are uploading Spotlight videos from your public profile or your Snapchat account, then friends must use this feature, because by using this feature you can decide who can comment on your post, your Spotlight, and also which comment will be displayed to public. So if you select manually approve, then no comments will be automatically approved by Snapchat algorithm. Firstly, when you approve the comment manually, then your comment or public comment will be show on that Spotlight. So guys, in the fifth option you will find a new option, see me in quick ad. Simply friends tap on this option and you will find a option, show me in quick ad. So guys, if you turn this option off, then no person will be able to add you through see me in quick ad feature. But you will, if you want that person will find you through quick ad, then must tap and enable on this option, because this will help you to reach more people and more people will add you. So if you want more privacy, then you can also turn off this option. And then friends, even in the sixth number, you will find a option of activity indicator. So friends, if you enable this option, then the persons or friends who are not in your friend list, they will able to see you are online or offline in the last 24 hours. So I don't think this is a good feature for you. But if you want to enable this option, then you can also enable. So, but I will recommend turn off this option. Simply back this page, and after you will find a option of see my location. So friend, this is one of the most important settings which you must be careful about the setting. Simply tap on this option, and after that, friends must enable ghost mode in your Snapchat location, because if you select ghost mode, then your friends can't see your location when you are unable when you are online. But if you off this option, then your Snapchat friends will able to see your current location also when you are online offline. They can also see. So keep in mind that must turn on this option of ghost mode, just like me. So friends, these all are the most important Snapchat privacy settings. So must use all the feature, be carefully, and if you like this video, then must subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends and family.